students, myself Vishal Pandey, your history teacher, and as you can see on the screen, the February Revolution in Petrograd. Children, I have already discussed this, but some of you were telling me that sir, please repeat it once again. So in short, you can understand that this revolution shook the fundamentals of Russia. If you have the appearance of this revolution in your life, if you associate this revolution with your revolution, which is the Indian Revolution itself, you can see that in the winter of 1917, this year is very prominent in Russian Revolution. Which year? 1917. River Neva, a major river of Russia. On the banks of River Neva, on the left side, the expenditures, or you can say the fashionable peoples were living, the rich people were living, the king was living, and on the right side, the industrialists were living, the industrializations were there, and the poor people, workers were living there. So ultimately, people started revolting against king. And what happened then? On 22nd of February, a lockout took place at factory on the right bank. The next day, workers in 50 factories called a strike in sympathy. So people were, getting and gathering together, assembling together to do what? Revolution against Tsar Nicholas II, the king of Russia. So on Sunday, 25th of February, what happened? People, this is the portrait you can see. People were gathering again and again, and they were challenging the king. So what happened then ultimately? Duma is also called the Russian parliament. Okay. So this was all happening in Russia, that women came in bulk and they also supported the movement on a large scale. So the conclusion of February Revolution is the king was abdicated from monarch, Tsar Nicholas II, and the provisional government was formed with the help of military-men, politicians, and the Soviet. What do you understand by Soviet Council? Soviet Council is the group of several peoples like military-men, politicians, so on and so forth. So they decided that they will rule this country, that is the Russia. They will rule the country, they will govern the country by their rules and regulations. So what happened after when the women in the February Revolution? What was the role of women? What were the role of women? Women workers often inspired their male co-workers. If you see, if this was the first revolution all over the world where women came in bulk, where mass gathering of women were there, and when women were there on the platform, the male Persians also motivated, because if women are coming outside of the house and they are protesting on the road, why not male can do? So this was also a motivation. Women were also a motivation for the society itself. If you see what had happened after February Revolution, I was talking about this after February Revolution in the virtual class, if you remember. Army officials, landowners and industrialists were influential in the provisional government. What do you understand by this, children? The provisional government was leading from the front, and who were there in this provisional government? Army officials were there. Who were army officials? The army officials of Tsar Nicholas II, because राजा अब abdicate कर दिया गया, राजा को उसकी मोनोपोली से हटा दिया गया, and finally जो आर्मी ऑफिशियल्स थे उन्होंने एज ए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गवर्न करने की सोची. लैंड ओनर्स जो थे, जो जमींदार थे वहाँ के रशिया के, they were also rich. They also tried to comprehend the revolution, and they also tried to initiate with the power. And the industrialists, the Persian, those who were industry holders, they were also influential in the provisional government. If you see the provisional government, अगर हम देखें इस provisional landowners rich man and industrialists rich man. ये लोग लीड कर रहे थे, इसका मतलब गरीब लोगों का अभी भी ऊपर का इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट बहुत ही कम है। तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये एक रीज़न बना बोल्शेविक मूवमेंट के लिए, बोल्शेविक पार्टी का जो लीडर व्लादिमीर लेनिन, जिसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे, ये एक रीज़न बना बिकॉज आफ्टर रेवोल्यूशन, आफ्टर फेब्रुअरी रेवोल्यूशन एज वेल, द किंग वॉज एब्डिकेटेड नो डाउट, बट द पावर वॉज इन द हैंड ऑफ रिच पर्सन्स, नॉट इन द हैंड ऑफ पुअर. एंड इफ यू रिमेंबर कार्ल मार्क्स, he was a socialist, he was a philosopher, he was an ideologist. If you remember Karl Marx, he has said that the power should be given in the hands of poor people. If you want to run a country, if you want to govern in terms of, if you want to govern genuinely, you have to give the power in the hands of poor people. तो ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट था कार्ल मार्क्स का, इसको आगे बढ़ाने वाला रशिया में कौन था? व्लादिमीर लेनिन, जिसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो व्लादिमीर लेनिन 1970 तक रशिया में नहीं था. सो वेयर ही वॉज, वो कहाँ था, उसके बारे में भी जानेंगे. एक्चुअली व्लादिमीर लेनिन वॉज एक्साइल्ड, वो देश निकाला उसको दिया गया था. किसने दिया? तो किसने किया स्टूडेंट्स, ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एग्जाइल किया गया लेनिन को, एंड ही वॉज एग्जाइल्ड बाय ज़ार निकोलस सेकेंड हिमसेल्फ. तो लेनिन ने स्टार्टिंग से ही फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में रशिया को पार्टिसिपेट न करने की सलाह दी, बट ऑल टुगेदर हिज एडवाइसेस एंड everything was rejected by king himself. So Lenin became a pioneer for the lower class, the workers, the peasants, farmers, so and so forth of Russia. If you talk about Lenin's personality or Lenin's perception of Russian revolution, he was always standing behind the workers. He was always raising his voice on the behalf of वर्कर्स. तो ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल है लेनिन का, जो कि आपको जान लेना बहुत ही ज़रूरी हो जाता है. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट लेनिन्स इंटरेक्शन विद द गवर्नमेंट, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट, तो ये जान लीजिए कि व्लादिमीर लेनिन वॉज इन अप्रैल 1917, बोल्शेविक लीडर व्लादिमीर लेनिन रिटर्न टू रशिया फ्रॉम हिज एग्जाइल. Vladimir Lenin was living somewhere else in Siberia, but when he found that king is abdicated from the throne, he came to Russia and he started assuming his ideologies. So at that time, when he came after February Revolution in Russia, after February Revolution, provisional government came out. What is provisional government? Provisional government में industrialist, army officials, industrialists और land owners, all of them collaborated and made provisional government. हालांकि अभी भी जो पावर है वो किसके हाथों में है? अमीरों के हाथों में, रिच पर्सन्स के हाथ में है. So he came with a new ideology, Vladimir Lenin, and he demanded he demand in the form of 3 demands he presented before the provisional government. Which were the demand? What were the demands? Let us assume this first. 3 demands were, the first demand was he wanted that war should be stopped now. Why? Because too many casualties are taking place. और व्लादिमीर लेनिन ये चाहते थे कि वॉर ख़त्म हो जाए. Second demand he was having that field should be handed over to the land from the landowners to the poor people. वो चाहते थे कि जितने भी फील्ड्स हैं लैंड ओनर्स अपने हाथ में ही ना रखें बल्कि पुअर पर्सन्स को भी दें. एंड द थर्ड डिमांड विच ही वॉज हैविंग वॉज विद द एसोसिएटेड विद द नेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ द बैंक्स. वो चाहते थे कि बैंक्स को क्या किया जाए? नेशनलाइज्ड कर दिया जाए. सो दीज 3 डिमांड्स वर कॉल्ड एज अप्रैल थीसिस. व्हाट 3 डिमांड्स वर कॉल्ड? अप्रैल थीसिस. तो ये याद रखना है आपको कि ये अप्रैल थीसिस कि he felt that the time for Soviets take over power, he declared that the war be brought to close, first demand, land be transferred to the peasants, second demand, and banks be nationalized, third demand. So these were 3 demands, and 3 demands were Lenin's April thesis. Why April thesis? Because it came in the month of April thesis means that demands. So I hope you understood the April thesis, because question comes straight away in the examination from April thesis. So keep this in your mind. Who was the propounder? Vladimir Lenin. What were the demands and what it called? April thesis. April thesis के बाद भी उसने ये भी सुझाव दिया that the Bolshevik name which is there, the name Bolshevik, should be changed and it should be kept as Communist Party or Communist Party of Russia because of its radicals ideology. वो ये चाहते थे कि ये जो पार्टी है बोल्शेविक, इसका नाम चेंज कर कर कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी रखा जाए, जिससे कि रेडिकल्स जो वर्कर्स हैं, जो लोअर क्लास के लोग हैं, वो अपने आप को इससे जुड़ा हुआ महसूस कर सकें. सो दिस वाज ऑल टुगेदर आफ्टर February Revolution. All these incidents takes place. You can see this is the portrait of Lenin. He is addressing the workers, a Bolshevik image of Lenin addressing workers in April 1917. So this is the way how Lenin addressed the people, and in real terms he was the leader of poor people. He was supporting poor from the backside, and he became a very prominent leader of that era, and he led the Bolshevik movement from July 1917, and then October Revolution came on the platform. How it came, what were the circumstances, we will be discussing in the next video, the Revolution of October in 1917. This is very important one as well, so we will be discussing in the next video. Thank you so much.